Hello everyone, my name is Mikkel and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be opening up some booster packs for Pokemon Go. We're going to be opening up 14. And then before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and give out some code cards. As you can see with these, they are going to be items that I'm not going to be specifically opening them up for today. I did it only because I just wanted to get some items opened. And then those there. Okay. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get these opened up. Code card for that. So what I'm going for is all the starters. Basically, whatever I get. Man. Kind of. There we go. I don't know why my camera was like that. I literally just fixed it. Alright, energy. Lore Module. Charmeleon. Pupitar. Bidoof. Charmander. Apom. Bulbasaur. Oh. Pidove. A Lunatone reverse holographic. And a Mewtwo V. Very nice. So yeah, the starters, all versions of them I want to get. And then Mewtwo V, V-Star, like all the versions of those as well. Hopefully. But, you know, whatever. If not, got some time. And then all other codes will just be bonuses. I'm really trying hard to cover the QR code because I actually remembered. Alright, there's Energy, Lore Module, Charmeleon, Pupitar, Bibriel, Alolan Rattata, Numel, Alolan Raticate, Tranquil, Moltres, Reverse Holographic, and another Mewtwo V. Okay. There we go. I forgot where I put my stack. cards. Alright. There's your brother or sister. Alright. Card. Alright, let's get something other than a Mewtwo V. Please. Spark, Chansey, Steelix, Spinarak, Pikachu, Wimpod, Pidove, Bulbasaur, a Blissey, reverse holographic, and a Tyranitar. Very cool. There's that. Alright, Energy. Unpheasant. Lore Module. Pupitar. Melton. Eevee. Pikachu. Squirtle. Bibriel. A Lavatar, reverse holographic, and another Blissey, but this one is a holographic rare. Okay. I want to get... Come on, I just want a starter. It doesn't matter which one it is. I just want a starter. Card. Alright, Energy. Ivysaur. Pokestop. Unpheasant. Bibriel, Pikachu, Spinarak, Alolan Rattata, Bidoof, Sylveon, reverse holographic, and a Gyarados holographic rare. So with these, you're guaranteed a holographic, at the very least, for the last card. but yeah. Still going for those starters. Energy, Slowbro, Lunatone, Ivysaur, Magikarp, Onix, Eevee, Numel, Alolan Raticate, a Wartortle, reverse holographic, and a Moltres, holographic rare. Okay. I'm getting the starters first and second forms, but not like they're fully evolved ones. There's that. All right, Energy, Zaptu, Candela, Lunatone, Tranquil, Larvitar, Natu, Ambipom. It's kind of weird way of saying it. Slowpoke. Also, I'm looking for the little Eevee right here for some of these Pokemon. Ambipom reverse holographic and a Articuno holographic rare. Okay. I think I actually have all of the birds now. All the legendary birds. So can I get something other than the Mewtwo V is what I'm trying to get at. Yeah, there we go. Get in focus. There we go. Alright, Energy. Blanche, I guess. Steelix. Wartortle. Melton. Charmander. Apom. Bulbasaur. Pidove. Candela reverse holographic. Ooh, what is this? It is a Blanche secret hyper rare. I keep on forgetting what the names of these are, but very nice. Regardless, very, very nice. Cool. What? Okay. Okay. Sorry about that. I just didn't want to sneeze in the mic. Of course, V-Star, Spark, Gyarados, which I need for my Pokedex. I'm putting it right there. Steelix, Magikarp, Onix. Oh, now you're starting to stick. Eevee, Numel, Alolan Raticate, Natu, reverse holographic, and another Tyranitar holographic. Come on, I want my starters, my final stage starters. Charizard, Venusaur, Blastoise. Please, let's get this. Come on. Code card. Alright, Energy. And then I want to get one of those secret cards for Ditto. Camerupt, Charmander, Eevee, Numel, Alolan Raticate, Tranquil, Snorlax, reverse holographic, and another Blissey. Darn Blissey, I dislike you right now. Leave me alone. So out of 14 packs, we've gotten 3 hits. 2 of them the same, sadly. Alright, Energy, Lunatone, Rare Candy, Unpheasant, Wimpod, Pidove, Bulbasaur, Squirtle, Bidoof, Numel, and nope, reverse holographic, and another Tyranitar holographic. Man. I've been watching these early videos for Pokemon Go openings, and it's just the Tyrant drawers come up, but 3 times, I think, 3 or 4 times now for myself. Energy, Slowbro, Lunatone, Chansey, Onyx, Bibarel, Melton, Magikarp, a Pomp. Yes! Radiant Charizard and Sylveon holographic. Yes, that's one of the cards I wanted. So, of course, I want to get all the Radiant cards. Charizard is awesome, but Blastoise is definitely going to be the one that I get, that I want the most. Put you, let's do this. All right, down to 2 more packs. Code card for that. I think I'm going to start doing the code cards differently. I might just pile them up and do it the last part of the video. Candela, Alolan Raticate, Larvitar, Alolan Rattata, Spinarak, Pikachu, a Zapdos reverse holographic, and a Pikachu holographic. And I got this already from GameStop. They have a kind of like a promotion going there. Last pack. Please give me one more good hit. One more good hit. That's all I ask. That's all I ask. Energy, Steelix, Xatu, Rare Candy, Wimpod, Pidove, Bulbasaur, Squirtle, Bidoof, Tranquil reverse holographic, and what is it? A Melmetal VMAX. Nice. I'm going to go ahead and sleeve this up. There we go. Alright, so that's it for today's video. Hopefully you liked it. Please, if you would like to do so, leave like, of course, and then subscribe. I'm going to go ahead and sign up for now. I'll see everyone next week. Bye.